Hi, I'm Dan. I'm a culinary specialist and I'm cleaning your Classic Pro bubbler. We're going to empty the tanks and then we're going to show you how to clean properly with the Sтерasheen product. First, we're going to remove the tray and then go ahead and start emptying your bowls one by one. Once you've completely emptied your bowls, you're going to go ahead and set them aside. Then you're going to start with your Sterasheen. You're going to clean them once and then do 2 rinse cycles. You get one 2.5 gallon container, SteriClean chlorine test strips, a strut brush, and you'll get 2 Sterasheen containers. In order to use Sterasheen properly, you want to take off the lid of your Sterasheen and your jug, then add 1 full scoop right into your jug. From there, you'll add the water, shake it up, then add it to the bowls. Now that I filled my jug up with Sterasheen, I'm going to use one of the chlorine test strips to make sure that my pH level is proper for cleaning. Take the lid off. Now we're going to add the Sterasheen to each of the bubbler bowls. Remove the lids. Go ahead and use the brush inside the bowl. Give it a good clean. And then, since we do have the spray valve, we're going to go ahead and agitate a little and use the sprayer to move the Sterasheen around. So replace the lids, and you'll see that the cleaning solution will take care of everything else from it. Once you've cleaned both of your bowls of the Sterasheen, you're going to refill them twice with clean water for rinsing out the unit.